You may need to clean the encoder strip if you see error 5100, the print has vertical lines, or the print is shifted to look like double vision. With the printer on, disconnect the power cable from the back of the printer. Open the printer and look for a transparent, thin film just behind the ink carriage that runs the width of the printer. If the encoder strip appears to have smears, smudges, or fingerprints, it will need to be cleaned. Use a clean, unused cotton swab and a small amount of window cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Do not use any other cleaning materials, as the encoder strip is very delicate and can easily be scratched or broken. Make sure that the swab is not dripping liquid and gently wipe the encoder strip. Take care not to push very hard on the film, as it can be easily damaged or dislocated. Using as many cotton swabs as needed, continue until the encoder strip is clear. If any liquid is left on the film, use a dry cotton swab to wipe the strip and wait for the film to dry completely. Close the printer, reconnect the power cord, and turn the printer back on.